Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize recurring payments by setting up Autopay, complete guide step by step clearly. To set up Autopay for recurring payments, begin by visiting the website of the service you want to use. Log into your account using your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the account or billing section, often found in the settings or profile menu. Look for the option labeled Payment Methods, Billing, or something similar. Select the option to add a new payment method or edit your existing one. You may be prompted to enter your credit card details or bank information. Make sure the information you provide is accurate and up to date. After entering your payment information, find the option for Autopay or recurring payments. Toggle the option to enable Autopay for your. You may be asked to select how often you want the payments to occur, such as weekly, monthly, or annually. Review the total amount that will be charged and the frequency of the payments. Confirm that you accept any terms and conditions related to Autopay. Once you have reviewed everything, click on the button to save or activate Autopay. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that Autopay has been successfully set up. Keep an eye out for emails or notifications that confirm future charges. If you ever need to change or cancel Autopay, return to the same billing section in your account. Make the desired changes to your payment method or toggle off the Autopay feature. Always remember to periodically check your account to ensure payments are processing correctly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.